Today, we will be making our tasty beer bread recipe. We have experimented with several different recipe variations and have finally came up with the one that we really like. This recipe is simple and only takes 6 ingredients: butter, honey, flour, baking powder, salt, and beer. So let's get started. First, melt the butter. Next, we place a strainer over a large bowl and added all of the dry ingredients together: flour, baking powder, and salt. Sift these ingredients into a large bowl. This will help mix the dry ingredients together and make it lighter and easier to mix into other ingredients. Next, add 3 tablespoons of honey. Many recipes use sugar, and we have made it with sugar in the past, but we like the flavor that honey gives the bread and prefer it instead. Now it's time for the beer. We have tried several different types, but have found the Guinness Blonde Lager to be a winner. This American Pale Lager is a crisp, light beer that is big on flavor. Guinness describes it as light, floral, and alive with citrus, which is perfectly balanced with a lingering malt and biscuity finish. Next, mix the ingredients together. Once everything is mixed together, it is time to prepare the bread baking pan. Coat the inside of the pan with cooking spray. Go ahead and pour the dough mixture into the pan and spread evenly. Now pour 4 tablespoons melted butter evenly over the top. You may want to spoon this over the top for an even coating. Place in the oven at 350 degrees and bake for 20 minutes. If you are concerned about the alcohol, don't worry, since all of the alcohol will cook out during the baking process. After 20 minutes, pour the other 4 tablespoons of melted butter evenly over the top. Continue baking until top is golden, about 25 minutes. We used a toothpick to test and make sure the center was cooked. Allow to cool a bit and it's ready to taste. This bread is delicious out of the oven while it's still warm. Please leave us a comment to let us know how you like it and subscribe to join us in the kitchen.